So now, let's talk about lifecycle hooks in the composition API. Back in our simple counter where we have our state as a reactive object with the current count. Now, what if we wanted to set the count when the component is mounted? The way we would do that with the options API is to set the mounted function as an option and then set this.count equals 5. If we wanted to do this with the composition API, however, what we need to do is we need to import a helper method where we use the on as a prefix to whatever lifecycle method we're trying to do. In this case, onMounted. And with this helper method, we can then move our lifecycle hook into the setup method. We'll then need to swap out the this context for state.count. And finally, we need to pass the lifecycle hook a callback function for what we want to execute during that lifecycle hook. And just like that, we now have a lifecycle hook inside of our setup function. Now that you've learned how to do this, it's time for your code challenge. Check out the Lifecycle Hooks challenge branch and use the composition API to manage lifecycle hooks in passwordgame.view. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video where we talk about how to watch data with the watch helper method.